Tolerance is a critical aspect of the manufacturing industry, referring to the allowable deviation from a specified dimension or measurement. In other words, it is the acceptable range of variation in a product's size, shape, or other physical attributes. Tolerance is a crucial factor in ensuring that products meet the required specifications and function as intended. It is a service performed by manufacturers to ensure that their products meet the required standards and specifications. Manufacturers use various tools and techniques to measure and control tolerance, including precision measuring instruments, statistical process control, and computer-aided design and manufacturing. These tools help manufacturers to identify and correct any deviations from the required specifications, ensuring that the final product meets the customer's expectations. Tolerance is particularly important in industries such as aerospace, automotive, and medical devices, where precision and accuracy are critical. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in custom metal fabrication, welding, and assembly services. As a company that values quality and precision, tolerance is a critical aspect of their manufacturing process. They understand the importance of meeting the required specifications and ensuring that their products meet the customer's expectations. Berkness Company uses state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to measure and control tolerance, ensuring that their products are of the highest quality. If you are interested in learning more about tolerance and how it relates to Berkness Company's manufacturing process, you can visit their Contact Us page on their website. Their team of experts is always available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with more information about their services. Whether you need custom metal fabrication, welding, or assembly services, Berkness Company has the expertise and experience to meet your needs. Contact them today to learn more about how they can help you with your manufacturing needs. FAQs. 1. What is tolerance in manufacturing? Tolerance in manufacturing refers to the allowable variation in dimensions or properties of a product or component. It is the range of acceptable values that a part can have and still function properly. Tolerance is important in manufacturing because it ensures that parts fit together correctly and perform as intended. 2. How is tolerance measured in manufacturing? Tolerance is measured using various tools and techniques, such as micrometers, calipers, and gauges. These tools are used to measure the dimensions of a part and compare them to the specified tolerances. If the measurements fall within the tolerance range, the part is considered acceptable. If the measurements are outside the tolerance range, the part may need to be reworked or scrapped. 3. Why is tolerance important in manufacturing? Tolerance is important in manufacturing because it ensures that parts fit together correctly and perform as intended. Without tolerance, parts may not fit together properly, leading to issues such as leaks, malfunctions, or even safety hazards. Tolerance also allows for efficient and cost-effective production, as it allows for some variation in the manufacturing process without compromising the quality of the final product. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.